If you want to learn how to use your phone to capture a document and then turn it into editable text, then watch this video. Hi, I'm Tony from Ready Steady Excel. Before I jump into the content, if you haven't already, then please click subscribe to see future videos like this. Okay, are you ready? I am. Let's go. In this example, I'm using an Android phone, but the same steps apply for an iPhone. I'm going to show you how to download this amazing free app in a moment. But to capture a document and turn it into text, just simply tap on Actions, tap Image to Text, hold your phone over the document, tap the white spot. It then comes up with this cropping selection, which you can adjust to select the document. Tap Done. Then the app will start to work its magic and we'll turn that into text. And with this, you can press Copy to paste it into another document, or you can tap Share, where you get the standard sharing options that you would expect. Wow, that's so cool. Not as cool as your t-shirt. Thanks. Can you turn existing images into text? Yes, you can. Let me show you. Simply tap Actions, Image to Text, then tap the little icon at the bottom. This takes you into your image gallery, but you can change this by tapping on the folder. And then from here, you can use your Google Drive. If you tap up here at the top, you can change your drives if you wanted to. And for this example, I'm going to tap on this Word Mail Merge image. The app will then crop the image, which I can adjust, but I'm happy with this. So I'm just going to tap Done. The app will then work its magic to pull out the text. Now the great thing about this is that this is all fully editable text, so I can copy this and I can paste this into another document, such as my notes, paste it in, and like I said, all of this text is fully editable. Now the app I'm using, which I'm sure you're all dying to know, is the Microsoft Office app, which you can download from the Play Store or from the App Store, and you just simply type in Microsoft Office, and there's your free app. This is the video that I want you to watch next. And this is the video that YouTube wants you to watch next. And if you haven't already, then please click subscribe. I will see you in the next video.